What's up guys, it's me Geek. I hope you're doing quite good. So here is the MegaGear case for your GoPro 8, GoPro 9 in Insta360 RX0 Mark II or Osmo Action. Personally I bought it for my Osmo Action. So let me show you from the back. This one you can get for around 11 or 12 bucks. MegaGear did not send me. I bought it from my own money. If they want to send me some gears to review, I'm happily to do free review for them because my opinion is honest. Okay. Oh, I wanna see this pamphlet first before. Okay, I like this simple small touch. I like this female with her Fuji camera. It's quite nice. I mean, this simple thank you note sometimes can be very good. Okay, where's the branding? MegaGear. Okay, it's quite good to be honest with you. The downside, there's no belt pouch. I was looking for a belt, to be honest with you, belt pouch, and to use the carabiner clip. Let me put like this. I'm using the case with the Osmo Action with the cap. Can I fit it? Because there are some cases which are too big. I want a quite good fitting one. Wow, I'm happy. It can easily fit. I mean, I like this grey color because it matches my Osmo Action. Yeah, it is quite nice, but it's quite good fit. But let me take out the case and then let me. Okay, come on. Okay, now I wanna fit with this one. Okay, now you see there's too much space in it, isn't it? Yeah. But of course I wanna fit it with the case. Overall, I'm quite happy to be honest with you. At the end of the day, I can easily recommend it. 10 out of 10. Simple, beautiful thing, fit quite good. I really like the material. This is like water resistant. I like the Velcro. Overall, I'm quite happy. I'm quite impressed. I think so. I can easily recommend it. It was me, none other than Geek.